Hey guys, this is Zach with NeXTech News, and today we're going to do a new video where I upgrade my PC. I'm going to upgrade from the Corsair Air 240 case to the open wall mountable Core P3, which is the smaller version of the Core P5, if you guys have ever seen that case before. Basically, I'm going to take everything that's inside this case and move it into this one and kind of see how cool I can make it look. So let's get going. So in the Thermaltake Core P3 case, I'm going to have an Intel i7 6700K processor, an NVIDIA Founders GTX 1080 graphics card, 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance 3000 MHz DDR4 RAM, an Asus Maximus Gen 8 MATX motherboard. We're going to have a H100i Corsair GTX water cooler, an evga 750 watt G2 power supply. And then for storage, I'm going to have a Samsung Evo 500GB SSD and a Western Digital 3TB HDD. And for fans, I use the Thermaltake Ring fans and the Corsair SP120 fans. Okay, let's move on to the build. So the first step is to remove the Core P3 from the box. The second step will be to remove all the PC components from the old Corsair Air 240 case. The third step will be to untie all the cables on the inside of the case and install the motherboard onto the case. The fourth step will be to apply thermal compound to the CPU and install the H100i Corsair water cooler. The fifth step will be to install the 32 gigs of Corsair DDR4 RAM. The sixth step will be to install the Corsair SP120s and the Thermaltake Ring fans to the H100i water cooler. The seventh step will be to install the evga 750 watt power supply with the brackets. The eighth step will be to install the GPU extension ribbon cable. Oh, and don't install the GPU shelf before you install the ribbon cable, or you'll have to redo it just like I had to. Step 10 is to install the GPU into the shelf and ribbon cable. Step 11 is to cut the blue carbon fiber sticker and install it to the Western Digital hard drive. Step 12 is to install the Samsung Evo SSDs and wire them up. Step 13 is to plug in the GPU power. Step 14 is to plug in the CPU's power. Step 15 is to do some wire management. And finally, the last step is just to close up the case. Let me know what you guys think of the Core P3 case. I think it looks really nice on my wall, but let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this build video, please click that like button down below, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This is Zach with NeXTech News. See ya!